Welcome back, guys. Today we have an Xbox Elite controller for repair. The joystick, the left one, is shifting, and also the clicky button there is not functioning properly. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that full joystick, analog joystick. This is the one we're gonna take out. You can see that I've applied lots of Teflon to protect the components around it. There is a lot of mini capacitors, resistors, and other important components that we need to save and be careful not to overheat. So we're going to go ahead and remove that, clean it up, and replace it with a new one. For that, we're going to add some low temperature soldering lead, so that it makes it easier on us to remove that joystick. Okay, and the way we're going to do that, I'm going to add a little bit of flux to all the pins that need to come out. I cover this area there. If anything, we'll remove those and then replace them if they get in the way. But let's try to do this job easy, simple, and fast. Again, this is an Xbox Elite controller that has a stick drift, and one of the buttons, when you push that button, it doesn't click anymore, so definitely needs to come out. I want to mix that leaded solder with the unleaded solder that Microsoft uses to make it easier. Okay, there's a big chip here that I covered, so I put a lot of Teflon tape there. Excuse me for 1 second. YAO Repairs, this is Frank. Testing, sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Anyways, we are applying some low melt solder to this solder that Microsoft uses, so that we can remove this easier. So it looks like there's enough solder there. Let's try to remove it with the heat gun now. So the joystick is out. Let's get that solder out. We want to be careful not to disturb those components there. And so far, so good. So the old joystick is this one here. As I mentioned earlier, the click thingy here was broken, and also it had a major drift. We're gonna go ahead and replace it with a new one now. Let me grab the new one. So let's turn it over. And let me show you guys the whole controller here. Well, I really can't. I need a camera and I haven't set it up. Anyways, this is the Elite controller. This one is good. I put some aluminum tape here so that I could use the clamps. And of course I put a lot of Teflon tape. This is the underneath. So all the components are good. They're still there. Very good so far. But anyways, this is the new joystick. I don't do disassembly tutorials. I think that's the easiest part. It's not that hard. Just if you have any questions, by the way, just comment and I'll be glad to help out. So we're going to be using this one here. Let's make sure that it fits good. It clicks good. So far it feels pretty good. So let's put it back in the helping hands here. And start on one side. So we're going to use some more flux. All right, I'm focused. So I'd like to start on one side here, then hold the heat gun there and just kind of push from underneath. We'll come back to that one. And then maybe this one. And then again, push from underneath, carefully not to burn yourself. And so on with the rest. Alright, so that is the way you replace a joystick or analog joystick on a controller. This can be applied on either a PlayStation 4 or any joystick. Okay, so thanks again, guys. I'd like to keep this video short. If you have any questions, I'm going to clean this up. If you have any questions, you can comment or subscribe if you like this video. We're going to be uploading more videos in the future. Or visit our website at wayeo.org, wayayeo.org. The site looks great here. I might just apply a little more solder on the joints here, a little more heat. Other than that, it feels great and it looks good. Thanks again, guys. Come back and visit us again soon. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, this is Frank with wayeo.org. Bye-bye now.